Welcome to the first Vigo software webcast entitled What is Modernization? This webcast is the first in a series of webcasts devoted to the modernization of IT systems. My name is Robert Nocera. I am the host for this webcast and a founding partner of Vigo Software. As Wikipedia defines it, modernization refers to a model of a progressive transition from a pre-modern or traditional to a modern society. In the context of IT, modernization refers to the practice of enhancing or replacing existing systems and technologies in order to move towards newer standards-based platforms, while preserving the existing business logic in those systems. Recent modernization trends have focused on moving IT systems from mainframes and client-server-based technologies to web technologies, and the work is still ongoing. Take the Department of Veteran Affairs, for instance. Their system, named Vista, was award-winning in 2006, but is now in dire need of a technology makeover. The department recently granted a $162 million contract to modernize the aging system. Current modernization trends are focusing on virtualization, cloud computing, and mobilization. These trends focus on simplifying infrastructure and providing access to work environments from multiple locations and devices. These trends are important elements for businesses to consider when moving forward with their technology solutions. However, to be truly competitive while bringing value to efforts in these areas, businesses cannot ignore the invaluable knowledge that is housed in existing legacy applications. It is that business knowledge that will make efforts in these areas stand out from the rest and provide businesses with a competitive advantage. Therefore, while the development of new applications that address new technology needs in a business is important, it can be equally important to ensure that older legacy systems that provide core business value address technology trends. This may be achieved using a variety of methods. Replace with a commercial off-the-shelf solution that can be modified to suit your specific needs. Rebuild by harvesting key business knowledge from core systems and incorporating that knowledge into new systems. Expose core systems to newer technologies through the application of bridging technology, or upgrade core systems to versions of software that support the new technology needs. It can make sense for a business to replace an existing system with a commercial off-the-shelf product that includes most of the same functionality. While this may not provide a business advantage initially, through customization and extension, the COTS system could be enhanced enough to provide a business the lift it needs without the cost typically associated with implementing an entirely custom solution. The rebuild option is the entirely custom solution. Recreate a legacy system using new technology. While this is a costlier option, it can also provide a business with some proprietary advantages over their competition. This option should provide a business with the best possible solution on the best possible platform, but at the same time, it will be the costliest to implement. Another option is to simply use a bridging technology to allow the legacy system to interact with a new technology platform. This typically involves exposing portions of the legacy system through a services API. This services API can then be used to build new front-end interfaces to the legacy system. This has the benefit of allowing the legacy system to behave as a modern system. However, it does not address the underlying issue around the maintenance of the system, which will continue to become more problematic as time goes on. The final option a business needs to consider is to simply upgrade the platform that the legacy system uses. If there are new versions of the underlying platform, this can be done to address a hardware dependency issue and possibly maintenance issues as well. However, there is a limited time frame for which this solution is viable. As technology and processes improve, upgrading the system to meet your current standards can be as much work and very similar to rebuilding the system itself. At that point, it makes sense to consider a new technology platform entirely. At Vigo Software, we believe in a holistic approach to IT modernization. That is to say, IT systems modernization is very rarely done successfully in a vacuum. Instead of focusing on modernizing a single system that may be unsupported or unmaintainable, CIOs need to consider their entire landscape of technologies and platforms, the support staff that they have on hand, and most importantly, the current business needs before modernizing. Options in IT modernization include replacing legacy systems with commercial off-the-shelf systems, scrapping the systems entirely and rewriting them anew, or maintaining the core of the system itself while modernizing its foundational technologies. Given all the different options available when modernizing, understanding the current and desired technology landscape while considering business goals and strategies is critical to the success of any IT modernization effort. So don't be this guy and be bogged down by your legacy applications. Instead, use the knowledge they hold as the basis for a solid technology future. Our value proposition is simple. By thinking of modernization projects holistically, leveraging our experience, tools, and methodologies, Vigo can modernize IT systems with higher quality and greater efficiency than companies that solely focus on the technology. Based on practical engineering disciplines, experience, and business savvy, Vigo is the ideal partner for any modernization-related activity. I'm Robert Nocera from Vigo Software. Thanks for listening. If you have questions or comments, please feel free to contact either myself or our VP of Emerging Technologies, Eric Truntz.